For today's quick scrap buster tutorial, we are going to make a hair scrunchie. This is the first thing I ever learned how to sew, and so I'm kind of nostalgic and want to share that with y'all. I know there's a lot of ways, different techniques that people use, but I still go back to my same tried and true, which seems to be the fastest and easiest for me. So I am going to walk you through this today. You will need for the project one piece of fabric, 4 inches wide and 30 inches long. You can go ahead and piece that if you want to really bust some scraps. It can be pieced however you like. You can even quilt different pieces of fabric in there. They don't even have to be all the same piece of fabric, the same pattern. You'll also need a 10-inch long piece of 1/4 inch elastic, 2 safety pins, some sewing clips, your sewing machine, and thread. I like a little mini iron. That's totally optional, but I like to iron open my seams, and I also like to iron up a little hem at one end, about 3/8 of an inch or a centimeter over. That just helps with the final construction. And once you have all your supplies together, we'll go ahead and get going. I'm going to take my long strip of fabric and fold it lengthwise, right sides together. Put in a few clips. And we're going to sew up this long edge and make a tube, which we will then turn right side out and thread our elastic through. Okay, now we have one long tube of fabric. I'm going to take a safety pin and stick it on that end with the hem that I pressed, and push that through to assist in turning this right side out. Okay, here we have it. Okay, I've clipped my safety pin to my elastic here on one end. My other end of the elastic has a safety pin on it as well. And I'm going to use the second safety pin to feed the elastic through. Okay. Now I'm going to grab onto this elastic here. So I've got both pieces of elastic firmly in my fingers. And we'll remove the safety pins. And now we have our piece of elastic threaded through our tube of fabric. I'm just going to pull it taut and tie a knot. right. Now because this end already has a hem, it will be really easy to tuck the other end inside. And I like to make sure that I'm sewing over those ends of elastic. So I'm going to push those ends over towards the side that I'm tucking in. I fuss with it so it's the way I want it, and I'll stick a clip on one end, and the other end I'm going to just put right into the machine and stitch across. And just like that, we have a completed scrunchie. This comes together literally in minutes. It's so quick and easy that you can make one or you can make a whole pile of them, especially if you're a chain sewer like I am. Any comments, any questions, drop them below. And as always, until next time, happy sewing.